In this video, I will explain what the drivetrain malfunction alert on your Mini Cooper actually means. Without wasting more time, let's dive in. The drivetrain malfunction warning is a generalized fault message that pops up when your car's drivetrain encounters an issue. This could possibly indicate faults with your engine, transmission, or even the differential, but there's no need to fret. The drivetrain malfunction isn't always an enigma. In fact, there are some usual culprits that often trigger this alert in Mini Coopers. So buckle up as we explore the intricate workings of your beloved Mini. Let's start with the first two common causes: bad spark plugs and a bad coil pack. Spark plugs play a crucial role in igniting the fuel in the combustion chamber. When they're faulty, they can cause a misfire, triggering the drivetrain warning message. While Mini Cooper recommends changing spark plugs every 100,000 miles, sometimes they do go out sooner. So I personally suggest a spark plug change every 30 to 50,000 miles. Moving on to the coil pack, it's responsible for creating an electrical field that helps ignite the spark plug and triggers other sensors within your engine control module or ECM. Signs of a bad coil pack can include a lack of engine power when accelerating, engine vibrations, rough idling, and loud engine noises. As a rule of thumb, ignition coils generally last longer than plugs, so a change every 50 to 100,000 miles is recommended. So if you're experiencing any of these signs, check the plugs and coils first. Now let's move on to the other common causes: fuel injector failure, burnt piston, and malfunctioning cam position sensor. Fuel injectors are like the gatekeepers of your engine. They control the amount of fuel that enters the engine cylinders. When they're working correctly, everything runs smoothly. But when one or more injectors fail, you may notice your Mini Cooper struggling to start or taking longer than usual to fire up. This could be a sign of a drivetrain fault, indicating that your injectors may be dirty or damaged and need replacing. Next up, we have the issue of a burnt piston. This can be a result of an overly hot combustion chamber or insufficient oil in the engine. A common problem in many Mini Coopers, piston failure can be detected by checking your oil level, noting the color of the smoke from your exhaust, and keeping an ear out for any unusual sounds from under the hood. Lastly, we have the camshaft position sensor. This little device plays a crucial role in your Mini Cooper's engine. It monitors the position of the camshafts and crankshaft, sending this information to your car's computer. If this sensor malfunctions, it can cause incorrect timing of ignition events, which can lead to a drivetrain malfunction. So, these are the 5 common causes of drivetrain malfunction in Mini Coopers. To sum up, a drivetrain malfunction in a Mini Cooper can occur due to a variety of reasons. The culprits can be bad spark plugs, a faulty coil pack, fuel injector failure, a burnt piston, or a malfunctioning cam position sensor. Remember, if you notice a drivetrain malfunction warning, it's important to check these common causes first.